So let's talk about the different question types that you're going to see in the SAT subject test in chemistry. In the next three videos, I'm going to go into some more detail on the three, but I just want to use this video to introduce them. So there are three major kind of categories that they try to test you on in terms of what you need to know and what you need to be able to do in order to succeed. So as you can see here, about 20% of the test are these fundamental concepts and knowledge. Another 45% is application of knowledge, and 35% is the synthesis of knowledge. And it doesn't map on perfectly, but the way I like to think of it is these questions right here, the fundamental concepts and knowledge, this is going to be your classification questions, your classification sets. These are the questions where you're given 5 choices and a few questions. You have to kind of match the choice to particular questions. So it's kind of like a matching kind of question. Synthesis of knowledge, I like to think these are going to be a lot of your relationship analysis questions. So these are those weird ones where you've got to determine if the first statement is true and if the second statement is true, and then if they're both true, you have to determine if the second statement explains or is the reason for the first statement. And whereas the last one, application of knowledge, these are your classic multiple choice questions. So it's just using your knowledge and answering particular questions on them. So those are the 3 question types. Let's go into them in a bit more detail.